Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a tailgate latch on a Chevy Silverado. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Also, ensure you have your brand new replacement tailgate latch assembly on hand before we begin. This preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's get started on removing the old latch. Begin by opening your tailgate and locating the inner access panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws holding this panel in place. Once the panel is off, you will see the latch mechanism. Carefully disconnect the two rods attached to the old latch. Finally, use your 10mm socket wrench to unbolt and remove the old latch assembly. With the old latch removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully position the new latch assembly into the opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Use the original bolts to secure the new latch firmly to the tailgate frame. Make sure these bolts are snug but do not over-tighten them. Next, reconnect the two operating rods to their respective points on the new latch mechanism. This step is crucial for proper function. Before we finish, let's thoroughly test your new tailgate latch. Open and close the tailgate several times, ensuring it latches securely and releases smoothly. Once you are satisfied with its operation, carefully reinstall the inner access panel, making sure all screws are tightened. Double-check that everything feels solid and secure. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your Chevy Silverado tailgate latch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.